Right, guys. Good evening, everybody. Come on, online members. Am I audible to you clearly? Right, last session where I stopped the topic. Yes, notepad level discussion happens. Remaining. I think you have seen some shortcut keys also there. So notes. So I'll provide you Google Classroom link maybe tomorrow. So there all these resources existed. Whatever the resources you are observing here. Simply. Right. So web page creation completed. Some HTML comments also we can try to observe. Okay. So notes, anything you are writing? Yesterday. Write some notes. I think creation of web page is okay for you in the notepad. Okay. That notes you wrote already. Okay. Right. Shortcut keys in web environments. Editing. Shortcut keys in web environment. Shortcut keys in web environment. The following shortcut keys. The following shortcut keys frequently we are using. Frequently we are using. Right, those 5 shortcut keys enough. Control N, Control T, Control W, Control R, Control U, and Escape button. These are enough for you. These are the common shortcut keys while you are going to work with web environment. So simple case. Enough. Remaining keys doesn't require. Just read and leave it. Right. HTML comments. HTML comments. HTML comments. HTML comments. Right, listen first. Listen first. So generally comments available in every programming. Show me one programming language without comments. Any technology you can take. That is maybe front-end related, middleware, or backend. Any technology you can take. Comments are commonly existed. Comments are commonly existed. These are the two main points you need to understand that when any technology. Okay, you know already number of technologies, maybe names or one or two technologies you are learning in Nareshite. Maybe you can take Python currently, which is very popular. Almost leading world #1 programming. Until 2014 or 15, Java is there. From 15, 16 onwards, Python occupied first #1. So we'll take one Python language. It has a comments. Next, Java, it has a comments. Oracle, it has a comments. Any technology, comments are commonly existed. What is a comment? Non-executable statement. Simply we can say non-executable statements. So these terminologies properly understand. Executable, non-executable. Where we are using in the real-time industry these comment notations. These comment notations. Anywhere we are using. But in the real-time industry, project name, module name, or who assigned the task to you, approximately when you are going to complete the task, reviewed by, approved by, all these. For example, one kind of, maybe you heard or not, I don't know that. Agile Scrum methodology is nowadays very popular in the market. Agile. Anybody you heard the name Agile? Know it. My videos are there. In Naresh IT channel, you can watch. Any technology. Type my name. That's it. Automatically will come. Their Agile process is there. There are a lot of resources. Agile. So there we are calling task assigned and how you are going to complete. Lot of things available. So in the form of comments we are writing. Just observe. Just observe. So doc type HTML. Then I'm giving simply HTML. Then head section. Then I'm calling as head section. Then HTML close. Inside we are calling title. So there I'm giving title. So inside I'm calling anyone. For example, I'm providing Naresh IT. Then body. And body. And welcome to, I'm giving HTML. Simple. So just you are saving that and you are going to, with a HTML extension, just you are refreshing, it is coming. Already shown to you how to save, how to execute. You are pretty clear on that one. So this is the simplicity of execution part. Now comments where we are using. Observe first. The comment tag is used to insert comments in the source code. Comments are not displayed in web browsers. You can use comments to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code at a later date. This is especially useful if you have a lot of code. Right. In HTML, a comment begins with, first I'll show you that one. Generally in HTML, comments are two types. Comments are non-executable. Two types, single line comments, multi-line comments. Maybe you know already these one, okay? But generally in other programming languages, in other technologies, single line comment differently available, multi-line comment differently available. Single line notation differently available, multi-line notation differently available. Notation means symbol I'm talking about, okay? But here where it is coming in the single line and multi-line level, here also differently existed. So if you come there in the single line and multi-line notation, if you are going to observe the symbol, I'll show you what that one. Just exclamation and I'm giving double hyphen. Again, double hyphen. Left angular bracket, right angular bracket. Then exclamation, double hyphen. Then double hyphen ends with. It is a single line comment. Now, welcome to HTML displaying or not displaying, we come to know it. Yes. Blank page. So now that statement is executable, non-executable. 100% non-executable. 100% non-executable. Right. Now we'll enter. For example, enter into some more statements I'm giving here. Welcome to HTML. Same line and I'm giving break. If you are not giving break, it will display in one line. BR represents break a line. Now it is how many lines are coming here? How many lines total available? 1, 2, 3, 4 available. How many lines are comments here? 1. 1 executable, non-executable. How many executable? 3 executable. Coming or not, we'll try to check it. 3 executed. 1 not executed. Now that one also will try to remove the comment notation. Remove the comment notation. Give the break tag. And now total how many lines will be displayed? 4 lines. Now for example, I am making this one comment. Right. Now how many lines visible now? 3 lines visible. Single line comments, all these are not multi-line comments, okay? Right, side heading, HTML comments. HTML comments. Right, comments are non-executable statements. Comments are non-executable statements. Non-executable statements. Full stop. In HTML, comments are classified into. In HTML, comments are classified into. Comments are classified into the following 2 types. The following 2 types. First one, single line comments. Single line comments. Second one, multi-line comments. single line comments. Second one, multi-line comments. Side heading, single line comments. These comments are applicable to. These comments are applicable to. These comments are applicable to a specific line. A specific line. It always denotes with. It always denotes with. It always denotes with the following syntax. Write the syntax. Example. Welcome to HTML. BR represents break. Break a line. Right. Single line comments completed. This is only comment. Right. Next one, heading multi-line comments. Multi-line comment. It is applicable to. It is applicable to. One or more lines. It is applicable to one or more lines. It is applicable to one or more lines. Syntax. Comments. Right, guys. Comments. Example. Same notation I'm distributing. So these 3 lines now comments. How many lines visible on the web page now? Only 1 line visible. Right, example. Only 1 line visible. Right. Right, guys. So it is applicable that now I'm removing this notation. I'm replacing here. Come on. How many lines visible? Blank page will be displayed. All the lines commented successfully. Hope you guys got it. How many types of comments? What is the first one? What is the second one? Multi-line comments. Now I'm removing this notation as well as this. How many lines visible? 4 lines visible. Comment is executable, non-executable. Non-executable. Don't sleep daytime. Executable, non-executable. Non-executable. Online students sleeping, are you there? Right, HTML comments after next one. Parts in, not next one. And first we are going to, I'm giving Naresh IT and I'm giving, for example, simple Hyderabad. Simple I provided one title. Title means top of the web page will be displayed. Okay. Right. I'm giving run it, displaying or not, you only check it. Yes, it is coming. Okay, good. Come back. Now I don't want to display means what I'm doing. I'm commenting. So now title won't displayed, body displayed. So title level, what will come? Blank will come. Body level, how many lines will come? 4 lines are coming. Now I'm saving and I'm going to refresh. Beautiful output we got. Right, NOTE note point. Comments not applicable to title. Comments not applicable to title. Comments not applicable to title. Full stop. It is always executable part. It is always executable part. It is always executable part. Example. Example. Yes. Right. Next one. Parts in HTML document. Parts in HTML document. Generally, every HTML document has 3 sections or 3 parts. First one, version information. Second one, head section. Third one, body section. Version information, header section, body section. Right, listen carefully. First, what are these 3 sections? Practically, how we are using? We'll try it. Right. So we'll go to, for example, one website, like I'm opened google.com. So shortcut key Control U, view source code. Lot of written code it is showing. This is completely existing code, starting with the doc type HTML. After that one, a lot of HTML coding standards existed, jQuery, Angular, like these libraries. Now, just you can, this is version information. Every HTML document starts with version information. Where version not provided, that is HTML5. Where you provided, okay, that is not a matter. Where you are not provided, that is fine. HTML5. Capital letters you can write, small letters you can write, means uppercase, lowercase, any format you can write. But it is not a tag. Correctly observe that the syntax. It is not a tag. It is an instruction to the browser on which version HTML this page implemented. I hope you are capturing the points. It is an instruction to the browser. Now I'm entering into just my notes you can read. Don't write. Doc type declaration must be very first thing in your HTML document. Before HTML tag. The doc type declaration is not HTML tag. It is an instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML page is written in. Very beautiful words. Really unbelievable terminologies all these are. So it is not a tag. It is indicating always a version. It is not a case sensitive. Of course, HTML is not case sensitive. So finally, version information related, okay. For example, I didn't write here. I didn't write anything. I saved in front of you. For example, I wrote only 2 lines. Again, I saved. I'm going to refresh. Is it perfectly executing or not? We'll try to check it. Executed. Now you can come down. I added, for example, doc type. I added a doc type. And in front of you, I saved that one. Now I'm going to refresh. Are you getting any difference here? With the doc type, without doc type, any difference is there? No. Then why should I write? It is the W3C standard. I'm not giving this explanation to write in your notebook. I'm giving this explanation to remember to answer in the interview panel. What purpose it is? The purpose is the standard. Because our website, once you develop one website, all over the world, who will open? Who knows? Do you have any idea who will open? In which area? Who will open? How much time they are going to invest on that website? We don't have any idea. So the terms you need to understand, this is a standard. So that is a reason doc type required. Doc type is not a compulsory for real-time industry, 100% compulsory. Try to today, any website you can open. Whatever the websites you are opening daily, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, whatever, Google, you can try to find out by going to view source code. First line starting 100% doc type available. If any website not contains, please bring to my notice. I want to see that website. I didn't find. In my small experience, I never find. Maybe in your big experience, anything you found, please tell me that. Okay. Right. Set heading now. HTML version information. Hmm. Right, guys. Next one we can. I'm moving forward to head section. HTML4 level, you can see doc type declaration, how much critical. There are number of syntactical rules you need to follow in the 4 level. But in the 5 level, simplicity. No rules, nothing. No version indication also existed here. No version. Right. Head section. I'm going to. Head section. Once this part is completed, you can stop your writing. First, I'll give the clarity. After this, please don't write. Writing notes means honey for you, my dears. Listening concept means no interest. I'll give this soft copy. Why you are writing? I'll give soft copy, my dear. Time waste story, my dear. You're not getting bored. Huh? Right. Now we'll see header section. Header section level, there are many tags available. These are the 5 essential. Many tags available. These are 5 essential. What we are calling these tags? Mandatory tags. Now we can see title, link, meta, style, script. HTML is very powerful, but is not a programming. Anybody can learn. No qualification required here. Previously, software engineering means different, now different. When I'm entering into industry, that time different, 98. Don't count my age. Okay. That is a different. Now today is different. First, we required more technical knowledge. So technical environment area, HTML is, if you are seeing like outside HTML, very simple. Opening tag, closing tag, in between something, right? Blah, blah, output will come. But when you come to inside the box, you're ready to develop one website as per the standard. All rules applicable. That time real God visible. School level HTML learning, that is different. That is only for something. That's it. But you are learning to satisfy clients. Maybe you are launching one website. Plan, I said in the first day only. Compulsory, everybody, one website, if you are having, super that is. Real. Having own website is a good idea. Right? Maintain one blog, maintain one YouTube channel. Don't neglect. Tomorrow world is completely digital. These words I said last 10 years onwards, many people now sending emails. Sir, long back you said. Everything in upcoming days web only. You need recognition. Compared to physical, virtual is reality now. Physically, you can go to one supermarket. Virtual, you can call. First call will receive it. Physical people, they won't answer. So what exactly we are living? Please remember, everybody, maintain one blog or one URL or one YouTube channel. These three are, you are preparing resume to apply jobs. In that one, there is a portfolio section available. There you can write. They'll ask in the intro panel. So my YouTube channel, listen my videos. You also there, tell in the intro panel. Then they'll definitely appreciate you. Please remember that. They won't do interview. In that situation, definitely they won't do. Very good. Thank you. Next round, go. They'll say. Because like that resource you are having in a company also, they'll get a benefit. My employee stage is this one. Please remember, as soon as possible, you can try to be in a digital. So title, good. Almost every website or web page having title. Google title, Google. Facebook title, Facebook. Maybe some websites are differently available. For example, I'm going to open nareshit.in. What title will come? We'll try to observe. Mouse over there. And they're giving something. Best Software Training Institute. Best Online Training Institute. nareshit.in. Available clearly. Visible? Right. So the things very clearly visible here. Title. And for example, I'm opening Facebook. Coming or not, we'll try to observe. Yes. Just what is there? Mouse over. So almost every website having a title. How many number of characters? There is no limit. But below 255 characters recommended. Generally, people are writing below 30 characters. More title, if you are writing also, what is the use? It will display the bigger one and mesh something. Right, come down. So now I'm coming to title level. Already we implemented title here. You know in our source code level what title is that. This is a title. Simple one. That is a title. Okay. Now, so body inside. Title, okay. Title after I'm going to link tag, second one. Because title, no need to explain anything, link tag. So title is the paid tag only. Paid means what? Opening available, closing available. Non-paid means only opening, there is no closing. Okay, come down. Title after link tag. Concentrate a little bit more. What is the link tag? It defines a link between a document and an external resource. It is used to link to external style sheets. It is not a paid tag. It is not a paid tag. The simple one. Syntax, link. There is an attribute href. There is an attribute rel. There is an attribute type. So what are these attributes? So these attributes also will try to land perfectly. So syntax. So attributes available. Practically one small example we can see. Come to reality. Facebook time, there is a F available. What we are calling fav icon. Favorite icon. If you are coming to, for example, Nareshit, there is a fav icon available. If you are coming to, for example, Google, there is a fav icon available. Nowadays, any website you can observe. Any website. Fav icon commonly existed. Favorite icon we are calling. Without that, nothing happens. Okay, good. So come back. And how to give this fav icon to your website or web page? Now I'm giving fav icons are also called as shortcut icons. It is a graphic image associated with a particular web page or website, to add a fav icon to your website, the format of the image must be PNG, portable network graphics. GIF, graphic interchange format. ICO, icon format. JPEG, joint pictures expert group. Like this, there are the number of images extensions existed in web. But mainly favicon time, two extensions we are preferring, PNG, ICO. So we'll try to. What is the minimum size? What is the maximum size we are going to be? Minimum 16 by 16 pixels. Image size, very small one. Maximum 32 by 32 pixels. A pixel is nothing but very small one. Just a pixel is nothing but a dot. It is a pixel. So like this, number of dots is making one image. These are the pixels. A pixel size is 0.2.5 pixels to 0.1.5 pixels. No need to remember, okay? I already disturbed, you don't disturb, okay? Right. That is the size of that. Nobody will ask you. That is my duty, okay? Right, that much smaller one. Collection of pixels making one image. Collection of images making one beautiful graphics. The representation you want to see, make it more. So minimum, maximum. No, sir. I'm giving, for example, big picture. It will take that size only. If you are giving larger picture also, it will take that much picture only. So now if you are coming back and I want to write one program by using these pixels and how it is coming, I'll show you practically. Come down. So symbol I'm giving. What tag here? Link tag. What is that one? href. Hypertext reference. What reference? Hypertext reference. Inside hypertext reference, I'm writing the reference of the URL. What reference I'm writing? Image. For example, I'm giving one image HTML5.png. Understand? HTML5.png. Relation. REL means relation. What kind of relation you are giving? Icon relation I'm giving. What relation that one? Icon relation I'm giving. Just save it. I'm coming there. Where is my source code? You can try to check it. This is my one. Refresh. HTML5 image coming or not, you can check it. Perfect fav icon display. Online students. Perfect fav icon displayed. That is a HTML5 logo. Right. Now, number of questions will come from online as well as offline. Okay, it'll pull down to. Now correctly visible. Now come to source code. Now doubt is, where is your image? You are not given anything. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, my drive, your drive, where it is available. What is the secret here? How it is coming the resource? So this is we are calling as relative path. There are the 2 or 3 or 4 paths available. Commonly 2 paths. What that one? Absolute path, relative path. Absolute path means complete path. For example, your friend make a call to you. Where are you? You are saying very clearly, Hyderabad, Amirpet, various technologies, HTML, classroom. This is absolute path. Direct point. Where are you? And I'm in HTML class. Relative path. So this is relative path. Why you given relative path? Where my HTML page existed, there only my image available. Both are in the same location. Especially you no need to provide path again. C drive, D drive, no need to provide. Not like that. Not like that. For example, my image existed in another location. We'll go there. Which location is available, my dear online students? Understanding? In another location available, maybe I'm opening one page like google.com website I opened here. Okay. So I want to bring this one. Right click. Just go to properties. Are you observing? Properties. Just copy the path. Right click. Copy it. Just, okay, you can say, go back to your source code area where you implemented. Just you can remove that one and control V. Simple. Just you can try to save it. And you can come to your browser and refresh it. How my Google available? Same like that. This is a Chrome browser logo. Are you getting? Perfectly, it is working. Now, in this situation, we are calling this one as web path. What path that one? Web path. You brought the resource from third-party website. Not legal, but practice, no problem. Yes. Other company logo, how can you use? Next day, your company, you are not available. Legally, they'll put a file on you. Okay. Right. Now we can. So, for example, I'm entering into the same level. Okay. I don't want. So, this one I want. Right click. Again, go to properties. Just click on that. Copy the path. And click on here. And come here. Profile observe. Just control V. Again, save it. And come back it. And just refresh it. A simple way fav icons giving is very simple. Only understanding, that's it. So this is also web path. No, not like that, sir. Not only Google, you can take another one. Any website you can take. For example, I'm taking, okay, LIC. Maybe everybody knows, or SBI, or whatever it is. Any web resource you can take. Just you can go there. Right click and try to properties, or inspect element also you can select, no problem. Properties. And path giving or not. Just you can copy it. Say okay, and you can come down to where your source code available. Just you can and paste it. Save it and come to your browser. Refresh it. This is the way how fav icon is working. These are called favorite icons. Website level we can provide, web page level we can provide, no problem. That is the requirement, depends on your client and your project. So finally you got a fav icon. No sir, in my system only in different location it is available. Okay, good. We'll go there. For example, in this location, my some pictures available. For example, I want to keep my Django image there. Just right click on the Django image, properties, and just you can try to take the path of Django where it is available, PNG, where is the path here available? Checking? Right, copy that. So just you can copy that and go back to your area where your location is. Simple. Just refresh and means control V Understand properly. Now go back to again that image. And what is the image? That image I want to bring here. Just I said. And I'm going to save. Double quotation you can use, a single quotation you can use, no quotations you can use, no problem. Syntactically, rules you are following are not. Doing hard work, getting job. That is 2020 before. Do smart work, get a great job. That is current situation. Don't do hard work, do smart work. Hard work, nothing is there. After PG's completion, degrees completion, hard work meaningless. Do smart work. The time being, you should think what I'm giving. The software engineer job, right? Simply you save here. Just you can go to that web page, working or not. Okay, so everything you are showing only in a Chrome web browser, sir. Is it possible any other web browser? Let me open, for example, Firefox. I'm opening, for example, Opera. I'm having different touch browser, different web browsers are there. For example, I'm taking a Firefox web browser. Same example I'm going to execute. 99.9% all browsers behavior almost same. Almost the same. In Chrome browser coming, in Firefox browser not coming, like that not available. In your computer working, in my computer not working. Don't speak like that. You are properly working or not. Sometimes in online saying, sir, in your system working, in my system not working. Why? Give your system to me, my system you can take otherwise. That is not system problem. This is problem. Find out where is the mistake. Okay, now I'm coming back to my program. So I provided what path this one? Relative path I said, web path I said. This is absolute path. You are saying in C drive, in users directory, admin directory, pictures directory, Django.png image is there. You are saying very clearly the location you are saying. So this is we are calling absolute path. Now this absolute path, our Chrome browser level, example Firefox. Yes. Perfectly utter flap. What that one? Perfectly utter flap. Why, sir, in Chrome browser open? No. Maybe there is a chance. Absolute path, some browsers supports, may not supports. In that situation, we need to provide and file : and triple backward slash. I'll show you forward, backward, everything. Okay. Now I'm providing here. So this is we are calling file global path. Now I want to refresh in Firefox environment. This is universal tablet. Immediately any browser will recognize because you are saying forcefully to your web browser. Forcefully to your web browser. Then immediately recognize one. So remember that file path I shown to you, relative path I shown to you, web path shown, and absolute path also I shown to you. So different paths existed here. Got an idea now regarding favicon, how it is working? So these many ways, not in different ways also can try. Google is free of cost. Type whatever, not only Raju discussed, you can more. Exploration is the best idea to get more knowledge. Now, don't depend only on my examples, only on my videos, only on my classroom level. Definitely, I'll provide the best, no doubt in that. What you believe, that will be happens. But practice. Take all browsers. Don't take only one Chrome browser. 4, 5, 6 browsers install. In every browser level, you can check it. Compatibility we are calling. In the real-time industry, we are testing compatibility testing. This browser level of opening, this browser, this device, this operating system. So OS to OS, browser to browser, device to device, there is a problem will come. Real-time development, not that much simple. Okay. So we'll come to know that one by one. First, little notes will write. Where we are, where we stopped. Head tag. Okay, go back. Head section. Head section. Right. Enough. The soft copy I'll provide you and up to your attributes. How to add this fav icon related examples. Tomorrow I'll provide the Google Classroom link for you as well as online people also. Just you can follow that notes enough. No need to write bunch of notes in the classroom. I'll provide complete software, but you can understand the programming writing time, how many number of paths available. I think total 5 paths we observed. One is relative path. Another one is web path. Third one is absolute path. Fourth one is the file path. Total 4 paths we observed. First one is relative path. Second one is web path. Third one is absolute path. Next one is file path. Okay, practice up to there. In the next session, more we can see. Thank you, guys. Bye. Come on, online guys. Tomorrow I'll provide you Google Classroom link.